Girl habits that drive guys crazy. Although some guys first assess a girl by her appearance, it is her behavior that plays a much bigger role in the long run. That's why we made a compilation of 12 habits girls might have which can drive guys crazy. Pay attention to habit number 1. Literally nobody likes to look at girls while they are doing it. 12. Eating off his plate. The desire to try one of your man's fries may annoy him for several reasons. For starters, he can be a possessive person, or perhaps the lesser amount of food on his plate may leave him feeling hungry. So girls, if you want fries, just order them for yourself. 11. Tidying up his space. Whatever a woman thinks is a mess is usually a system of thoughtfully placed items which works for the man. Tidying up your man's things often leads to unnecessary fights. After you move things around, he will probably be unable to find anything. 10. Going out all the time. Despite the fact that some men like women who know how to party, an excessive love for alcohol, party crowds, and night adventures may not be taken well by a person with serious intentions about you. 9. Gossiping. The constant urge to gossip about how others look and what is going on with their love lives is just annoying. It also makes your man wonder whether you're talking about him behind his back. 8. Dressing inappropriately.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm just breaking in some new shoes.
We all want to look flawless, even during a casual walk in the park. However, uncomfortable high heels and tight dresses will most likely not be appreciated if your man has to carry you and listen to you complain about it all the time. 7. Taking up all the space with your stuff. If you occupy the entire bathroom with countless products and use all the wardrobe spaces for your clothes, your guy will probably be unamused. He might even feel offended. You don't use most of your things anyway, and he now has to deal with the tiny shelf you have left for him. 6. Dropping hints. The desire for gifts is often communicated vaguely in the form of hints, which men usually don't get. If a man genuinely wanted to give you a present, but you hinted at it yourself, he will not feel as if it was his own decision. Otherwise, you will simply make him feel bad and guilty for no reason.
Do you really think that another transparently manipulated... Oh, it's a tiara! Tiara! Put it on me, put it on me, put it on me!
5. Crying for no reason. Women's tears are at the top of men's fear list. They usually don't know what to do, especially if there is no apparent reason for the crying. If this behavior becomes systematic, with time it will cause irritation, not sympathy. If you use tears to try to win an argument, it will only undermine his trust and leave you both bitter.
My boyfriend thinks I'm fat.
4. Taking hours to get ready. If you take a long time to get ready and break promises because you are straightening your hair, men will start questioning your punctuality and responsibility. He probably won't even notice your new hairdo if he had to wait for you for hours. Alas. 3. Asking loaded questions.
You just answer. It's like a reflex. Do I look fat? No. Is she prettier than I am? No. Does size matter? No.
It's always tricky when a woman asks whether she looks pretty, fat, or old. They usually put men in a corner. Such questions usually have only one correct answer. 2. Engaging others in your arguments. Trying to resolve an argument by using your friends' or parents' opinions, women usually lose their authority and leave men feeling disappointed. Your personal problems should stay between the two of you. 1. Freshen up in public. It is not a secret that men love with their eyes. Therefore, don't forget about personal hygiene and always look your best. For example, extremely tight underwear will not only make you very uncomfortable, but also ruin your entire look. If you need a few seconds to fix your clothes or freshen up, excuse yourself. Please, never do it in public. Stay mysteriously beautiful. So, would you agree with our points? Yes or no? Share your thoughts in the comments.